Guys, so I'm going to do a little demonstration of how purecore hosting is working already. So you should keep in mind something, okay? This laptop represents the server you should be hosting on, and this computer is used I don't know, purecore or your wrapper or whatever is communicating with the server. So I'm going to request hosting an instance right there. So what I do is just request it. I just log this URL, and as you can see, purecore communicated with this laptop or with your server or whatever it is, and created the instance. Matter of fact, we can see the instance actually being created. So this is already a Minecraft server, so that's pretty cool. Let's see which port we got so we can connect to it. The ports are random unless you specify it. You can also specify that by adding a port parameter. But if you don't, you get a random port. So we got 32084. So let's connect to that port. So direct connection. Let's try. Oh, wait a second. Okay, there you go. So this is my server address, as you can see here, ending in 69 because I'm really dope. Okay, just kidding. And as you can see, the server actually just started. It should be way faster than a normal server. It's just running on my laptop without much batteries. That also makes it run slower. But the point is that I basically created a Minecraft server in like 200 milliseconds. So that's really cool. That's really cool. So we can add this, and we should be able to see here the server. There you go. So we can join. There you go. We're joining. We joined. We can see it right there. You can see it on the screen. We are on the server. And yeah, that's really cool. Also, purecore also has some management for hardware, so you can't exploit it in many ways. I mean, like, it's quite secure. So if we try to create another server, this is just, well, we are already hosting this instance. Let's get another instance. Let's get this one, for example. So if we try hosting this instance, you can see that this machine doesn't have many 3 gigs of RAM, so we can't do that. Same thing for storage, and same thing for CPU. If you don't want to, if you have dedicated cores enabled on your machine, you won't be able to exploit multiple CPU cores. So yeah, basically everything is ready. I just need to add PayPal pre-authorized payment and should be able to start paying for Minecraft instances from your panel.